Atera versus Kaseya, which RMM platform wins in 2025? Remote monitoring and management tools are crucial for teams, but in 2025, Atera and Kaseya dominate the conversation. Which one is better? Atera is cloud-based and designed for MISPs and IT professionals. Most people get this wrong. They assume all RMM platforms are complicated, but Atera combines ticketing, monitoring, and billing in a single, intuitive interface. You won't believe what happens next. You can onboard clients in minutes, automate patches, and track SLAs without juggling multiple tools. Kaseya offers enterprise-level RMM with advanced automation, endpoint management, and security monitoring. It's powerful but comes with a steeper learning curve, making it more suitable for larger teams managing complex environments. Pricing differs. Atera uses a per-technician subscription model, which is cost-effective for small teams. Kaseya requires a license or subscription that can be pricey, but it scales well for large enterprises with diverse endpoints. So, which platform wins? For small to medium teams seeking simplicity, speed, and cost efficiency, Atera is the winner. For enterprise operations needing deep automation and extensive monitoring, Kaseya is a smarter choice. The surprising truth is that the best RMM isn't about features alone, it's about matching the platform to your team's size, workflow, and technical expertise.